An alignment bay is a major investment for any shop. Between the lift, sensors, and software, it's equipment that can separate your shop from the competition. Like, by a lot. But that technology is only as effective as the people explaining it and using it. Alignment success depends on communication, both with the customer and with the technician performing the work. Let's talk about how to get it right next. Alignment problems rarely come with simple answers, which is why communication starts on the repair order. Writing customer requests alignment doesn't give a technician anything to work with. In fact, it often leads to comebacks. A good repair order explains why the alignment is being requested. Is the vehicle pulling? Is the steering wheel off center? Did the customer notice uneven tire wear, replace suspension parts, or hit something on the road? Every detail matters because those details guide the technician's inspection and adjustments. Communication with the customer matters just as much. One of the most effective tools at the counter is listening. Customers will usually tell you what's wrong, but only if you give them space to talk. Silence can be powerful, especially when it encourages nervous customers to fill in that gap with useful information. Asking the right questions helps too. Open-ended questions like, "What are you noticing?" or "What does it feel like?" don't lead the customer toward a diagnosis, but they often reveal the real concern. From there, you can determine whether an alignment is actually part of the solution. Once you understand the problem, it's time to explain the value, but you have to do it without overwhelming the customer. The goal isn't to prove how much you know. It's to explain what the alignment does, what the technician will check or adjust, and how it benefits the customer. Too much technical detail can confuse or intimidate, while clear expectations build trust. That trust is what allows customers to see value beyond price. An alignment should be valuable to your customers, as it improves tire life, promotes better stability, and often better fuel efficiency. When customers understand what they get in return, the price makes sense. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.